Introducing the OnePlus 13T, a compact powerhouse that redefines flagship performance. But is it truly the mini flagship we've been waiting for? Let's dive in. At the front, the OnePlus 13T boasts a 6.31-inch LTPO OLED display with a 1.5K resolution and a 120 Hz refresh rate. Ultra-thin bezels ensure an immersive viewing experience. Crafted with a premium metallic frame and glass body, this device offers a sleek and modern aesthetic. Under the hood, the OnePlus 13T is powered by the Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset, delivering flagship-level performance. Paired with up to 16 gigabytes of RAM, multitasking and gaming are seamless. Capture stunning visuals with the dual 50-megapixel rear cameras. The main sensor, featuring Sony's IMX906, ensures detailed shots, while the 50-megapixel telephoto lens offers 2 times optical zoom for versatile photography. Equipped with a robust 6,100 mAh battery, the OnePlus 13T supports 80-watt SuperVOOC fast charging, ensuring you're powered up in no time. OnePlus introduces a new customizable button, replacing the traditional alert slider. This button allows users to switch between audio modes or launch other actions, offering enhanced functionality. Expected to launch in April 2025, the OnePlus 13T is anticipated to be priced between $499 and $599 globally, making it an attractive option for those seeking flagship features in a compact form. Compact, powerful, and feature-packed, the OnePlus 13T is set to make waves. Will it be your next smartphone? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech insights.